So let's have a look at the technique for actually deciding when that next button is going to appear. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back to that screen. And we have this technique in Gomo called display conditions. These are ways to be able to show and hide things on the screen based on certain things happening. And in this particular case, I want to find that next button, and I want to apply a condition to it to say, well, don't show the next button until everything that a learner can do on this screen has been done. And the way that we do that is that you find the screen properties. And what we'll find here is the navigation and tracking section. This is all to do with those next and back buttons. So if I click that, this is showing me the next and back buttons. Now I could just remove the next button altogether, but that would mean that the learner just can't move on under any circumstances. Instead, we want to say, well, we want to show the next button, but in certain conditions. So what I can do here is to add a display condition. So when do I want the next button to be shown? So I just click that, and now I can add a display condition. From the drop-down list, there are lots and lots of different types of display conditions, and we're going to be having a look at a few of these today. But the one I want to use here is called the screen status display condition. This is a really useful one, because what it does is monitor what's going on the screen. And this condition will only trigger when whatever's on the screen has been completed. So what I'm going to do here is to say monitor the screen one here. And the condition that I want here is for it to be complete. We have these other conditions. They will, once they've started interacting, so if they've clicked on something, then I could trigger something else happening. But for this next button, I'm going to say only show the next button when everything on this screen is complete. So I just update that, apply, and let's save that.